So, so good to get back into the countryside, have a walk along the water, listen to nature, get away from social media and the news and all that's going on in the bloody country at the moment. It's madness, riots and hatred. I think we're just playing into their hands while we're arguing and falling out with each other, writing and stuff. It's what they want. It means they can bring new laws in and control us more. The governments, global elite, whoever they are, faceless leaders, unelected leaders. I think we're being played. You've got we need unity, not what we've got now. If we all stick together, because we're all in it together, like it or not, we lose a lot of the control. Divide and conquer, innit? While we're all out there arguing and fighting, they can do what they want. And I think what they want is us pacified, controlled. Don't they say what we want on social media? Don't go out there and peacefully demonstrate. They don't like that either. And it's like, I've got concerns about immigration, because I don't think our infrastructure in the country can handle it. Handle the population is here now. You've got the NHS, which is on its knees, which I think is planned, because they want the American system in. You've got the schools are overcrowded. Everybody's struggling financially. There's no money, they reckon, for this, for that. The roads are a mess. They're just dragging us down. We're like getting like a third world country now. Don't even bother cutting the grass. And because I think like this, I'm classed as a far-right fascist Nazi. Fucking ridiculous. I don't blame the English. I don't blame blacks. I don't blame Muslims. Don't blame the gypsies. I blame the government. It's simple as that. It's got nothing to do with racism. Just another way to divide us. And as for Starmer, I don't trust him. I think he's worse than Boris Johnson because he's clever. He's an authoritarian. But we're stuck with him. Yeah, if we carry on divided like this, they'll have us over a barrel on foot. It's globalism that's a problem. One world government, whatever you want to call it. It's a dictatorship. And the only way we can fight it is unity. We've all got to stick together. But human nature, I don't believe we can, so what do we do? Anyway, I'm going to enjoy the English countryside while we can, while we're allowed to. And that's the end of me moaning. Let me know if you agree with anything I've said.